Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Worry be like. Worry has a high degree in creating imaginary problems. 1. My phone battery is 15%. Reason, suddenly every app becomes an emergency. 2. Did I lock the door? Reason, your brain starts replying security footage. 3. They haven't replied yet. Reason, maybe they're just busy not ignoring you. 4. What if I forgot my password? Reason, time to try every birthday you've ever known. 5. Did I send that message to the right person? Reason, instant reply mode activated. 6. I think I heard a weird noise. Reason, every tiny sound becomes a mystery. 7. What if I'm late? Reason, you leave 30 minutes early just in case. 8. What if it rains? Reason, better carry an umbrella under a perfectly sunny sky. 9. Did I forget something? Reason, you check your bags 5 times. 10. My internet is slow. Reason, 5 seconds, I feel like forever. 11. What if I say something embarrassing? Reason, your brain starts rehearsing every sentence. 12. Where's my wallet? Reason, panic until you find it in your pocket. 13. I hope my alarm works. Reason, you set 6 backpack alarms. 14. Did I charge my phone? Reason, the charger becomes your best comrades. 15. What if I fail? Reason, sometimes the biggest obstacle is overthinking. 16. Why is it so quiet? Reason, silence suddenly feels suspicious. 17. I hope I remembered everyone's name. Reason, hey, you become the safe option. 18. Did I leave the light on? Reason, your imagination loves unfinished business. 19. What if I miss the bus? Reason, you start walking faster than an athlete. 20. Everything will probably be okay, right? Reason, most worries never happen, but on your imagination loves dramatic stories. Worry likes to imagine the worst, but life often surprises us with something much better. Smile, take it one step at a time, and don't let your imagination becomes buzz. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.